Well, hello there. This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck, and welcome to my shop. Today, we are doing a little engraving. I'm actually autographing the bottom of the platter I did last week. And the thing about it is, it's for my wife's birthday. So I got an xTool, F1 by xTool. And what this is portable. That's the reason why we got it. You see a lot of times they'll go to shows and stuff like that, and they'll personally engrave something right there on site. And this is perfect for that. But it is limited. But for what I'm autographing well, about anything, because you usually autograph small. And that's what this is. This was a maple tree that was cut down from in front of the house several years ago. And the thing about it is, we saved a little bit of it, did a twice turn bowl. I don't know if y'all familiar with that term, but when you cut down a tree while it's wet, this wouldn't work for a dead tree, but this thing was on its way to dying. But you cut it and turn it on a lathe first time as soon as possible, and you do the shape and everything. You get your tool sharp, and with it wet, because it cuts like butter when it's wet, and you can cut 3 or 4 bowls before or maybe more than that. I mean, it won't hardly dull. I mean, it just cuts like butter. It's the reason why you do it. You leave it a little thicker because as this dries, it moves. So the shavings that you just cut, you gather all them up and you take the bowl and you put them in a brown paper bag and take the shavings that encompass the whole thing, then wrap it up, and then I'll write on the outside any impertinent information. 6, 8 months, no more than 12 months, even in the wettest part, usually you'll have it by then. And what it does, it dries down to the moisture in the air. It's not going to dry any further unless the moisture in the air goes down or up. And once you hit that, it's kind of a Mendoza. But this thing been sitting in there 4 years. I put it up there and forgot about it. But anyway, my wife's got a birthday coming up. So I turned this thing for her, and I'm going to autograph it today. So what I'm doing is happy birthday. It's a maple tree from in front yard. And July 8th, 2026, would be the date. We're going to take the xTool and we're going to engrave that thing right here. If y'all want to see how this process is done, stick with me and we'll engrave this thing right quick. xTool's got a xTool Studio. That's the program they use to, I think you can use some other light burns and stuff like that, but this is simple enough, so I just go ahead and use it. It's got a lot you can do with it. But I thought what I do first, I frame this thing. I first got my xTool. I got it all level where it needs to be, and you see how we've got it right there. We've got I don't even know if you can see it, but it's framed out where it needs to be. That one's right. So, as far as lasering going, I don't do a whole lot, but I do some. The biggest thing I do is the autographing. My work, cutting board stuff, I'll burn my logo on the back or something like that. It's pretty cool, really. Kind of adds a little professionalism to them, I guess. But on lasering, you got these glasses. You want to have your eyes protected. Normally I put this down. They say that's all the protection you need, but I still use the glasses. My eyes mean a whole lot to me. But I'm gonna probably speed this up and we'll run through this thing. So here we go. Okay. That's got this, let's just see if we can't get this thing out here where we can see it. I think it turned pretty good. Nice touch. See, I've designed it where it sits on the edge so that won't never wear off. Not from sitting around, no way. But that is what I use right there. Now this right here is an apparatus that pulls the fumes away. And it really works. It pulls it right through there. If you could get that down, or if I wasn't filming, I'd have left it down and it'd draw every bit of that thing out of here. And if I'm just doing one, so I just goes right there. However, if I had a whole lot to do, I would pipe that thing right out the door. But anyhow, I hope she likes it, and I feel like she will. One, it means more to her. It actually harvested off the place. Giving it to her for her birthday, because we're in our upper 60s. What do you get? I mean, you know, I really hope she likes it. But I appreciate y'all hanging in here with me. If y'all made it this far, y'all are the troopers for sure. And I appreciate you hanging in here with me. So I'll tell you what we'll do. With the xTool CNC and my traditional woodworking and my saws and band saws and stuff, I do a little bit of everything. You know, I like the hand, I like lasering, I like it all. So this is where I do a little bit of everything. Next time I'm thinking about I had a viewer, because a lot of times if I do the CNC, my views go down, but I had a viewer that was interested in it. So next time I'm thinking about doing something on the CNC, push sticks, push blocks and stuff. So I'm pretty sure I'm not 100%, something will pop up. You know how it is. But right now is what I'm planning on doing. Well, I thank you for watching. Y'all be safe. And remember, if it cuts wood, it'll cut you. So y'all be safe, and I'll catch you on next. Y'all hang in here with me? No, I kind of messed that up, didn't I? So I appreciate y'all. Wow. Make some outtakes, wouldn't it? Yeah, I'm right here at the end. Right here at the end. Dang it. Okay. I don't know. Okay, here we go.